Hey guys, welcome back. Now for this one, I'm going to show you guys how to put some organization into your Microsoft Outlook program. We're going to do this by creating folders. Now instead of having all your emails from all sorts of locations and sources in one folder, we're going to create multiple folders. So the way to do that is you want to first create a folder. Now you do this by right-clicking on this inbox button. Okay, so we right-click. We go new folder and we select inbox, which is where we're going to place the folder, and we press OK. Oh, we're going to give it a name. Let's call it Udemy test, and we go OK. And that's going to create our folder underneath inbox. Now what we're going to do now is actually put email into that folder. The way to do that is so easy. Look for the email you're going to transport. Let's do this at Ford Online one. You click, you hold it, and you drag it to Udemy test, and you release the mouse. There you go. So if we go into this folder now, we have our email. Now this is really great for if you're working with multiple companies or you got multiple people you're dealing with. You don't want everyone's emails and information to be jumbled up. Okay, so you can create as many folders as you like, folders within folders, subfolders, and so on. Go as crazy as you like, depending on the organization that you need. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.